What's up, guys? We're back. Let's see if we can get the carburetors out before the sunset. So here we go. Hopefully that won't be too much of a pain. Yeah, of course, it's too big. There he is. Well, that's the end of that guy. Gee, just cracked right off. Okay. All right, that's those guys. Let's see if we can get them without doing the airbox. Nice. Oh. Hey, there we go. Okay, didn't take too long. Looks pretty good in there. Still moving. This guy's not going anywhere though. Oh, wait, there we go. Oh. Still kind of sticking. But we got movement, so that's good. Thought it was worse than that, but now that it's out, it seems to be moving. Maybe I just got a better angle to move it. All right, let's take it to the bench. All right, let's see what we got here. Oof. Some rust on those screws. I hope they're not a pain to get out. Okay. Oh. Pincher bug got in there. Well, sucks for that guy. Otherwise, it doesn't look that bad. Got this yellowy, orangey goo in there, but otherwise it seems to be pretty good. Oh, look at that nastiness. See what, oh, there's more, a lot more. Oh, the bowls. Gee, there's actually a bunch of stuff in there. Eesh. Kind of thought there'd be nothing after being in a fire, but I guess not. Alright, come on, dude. Get off my workbench. And this is a 22.5. It looks, it's pretty, I think you can see through, but there might be something in there. Come on, where is it? Okay, I can see something, but yeah. Just a little something in there. That guy's clear. Oh, that's a big one. This is a big guy. And this, come on, let me see it. 165, I think. There it is, yeah. That guy's clear, but that looks really big for 165, but maybe it isn't, I don't know. There we go. Needle looks nice. Let's see here. There he is. Oh, there he goes. Float's empty, I think. Cool. I hope we have good passages. That guy looks good. That guy's enormous, but maybe that's the right one. I don't know. That looks better. Ugh. Gross. Oh. Okay. Okay, well, it's clear. Oh, straw. Yep, that's pretty clear too. Oh, getting it all over the camera. Very nice. That looks pretty good. Put it back together. I think that's good enough for that. We'll find out. Yeah, I forgot about this guy. Oh, there we go. Let's see if that... No, nothing. Okay. All right, time for number 2. All right, this one's got that weird... I didn't do anything. Yellowish goo, whatever. There. That's better. Okay. And once again, looks nice. There he is. Oh. Oh, and this guy wasn't here on the other one. So it's just an empty hole. What do we have here? Is it 95? Yeah, that's a 95. Okay, whatever. And that is clear, I think. Oh, now we're very clear. Okay. And then, is this the pilot or the starter? I'm not sure. I'm new to this. Okay. It's clear. But just to be sure. Nice. Well, No point in showing that. Come on. There he is. And this guy is also enormous. 160. No way. Dude, look at... Okay, come on. Where are you? Look at that hole. Is that really 160? I don't know, man. I don't know. Alright. That guy's clean too, of course. Okay, let's see here. Whoa. Ah! Oh, there we go. Okay. I think that guy's clogged. That guy's not. Maybe. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, that's clear. Nice. Okay. This guy's a 160. Oh, whoops. That guy's supposed to go there. I can tell by the giant hole. Weird. These holes are way too big. Alright, so far not bad for being in a fire. Okay. How are you looking? Oh. Oh, great. Very springy. Diaphragm looks good. Soft, no tears that I can see. Needle's a tad grody. Well, I wiped most of it off already. Okay. Oh, hang on. I see that. Yes. All right. We're almost there. Looking good. This diaphragm looks a lot better for some reason. Look at that. There's like no folds or anything. Nice. Wow, why is that one so different? Needle's a tiny bit grody. think we're good. Outside looks nasty, but oh hey, oh, I gotta get to this guy. Is that? Oh, I forget what that is. A little diaphragm in there. But I gotta get this guy out of the way to get to that. So we shall see what I do about that. So, yeah, I'm out.